Hello, I have a puzzle for you. We have a tub of water balanced precariously on a wooden block. This pendulum bob is going to be lowered into the water on the right side. What do you think is going to happen? Let's find out. So did you see that? So initially, the seesaw remains balanced even though the pendulum bob is in the water on the right side. But the moment the pendulum bob lands on the tub, the seesaw toppled. Now, can you explain all this? Please leave a comment and click the like button. Ta-ta!